We are seeing the first paint Tesla Model Y test bodies spotted at Giga Berlin. A YouTuber from Giga Berlin area, flybrandenburg, has posted a video in which you can see the first painted Model Y test bodies in Giga Berlin, and they are, like I said, spotted by Daniel, who tweets and shares on YouTube under the handle flybrandenburg. Well, and what's interesting, as you can see from these images, it looks like there is some type of a green color. Do you like it, friends? Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Giga Berlin and Tesla news, and also like this video, share in social media if you like our content. So Eva Fox has more details from the Tesmanian, saying the construction of Giga Berlin is almost complete. In a moment I will tell you the new details that Tesla has posted online. A lot of production equipment has already been actually installed at Tesla, as Tesla has begun testing production processes. Recent photographs from the paint shop show that testing is in an active phase, which means that the start of mass production can begin as soon as the final environmental permit is obtained. When you look outside the Giga Berlin, you see a lot of kind of incomplete areas, but the main building is ready. A lot of robots are already installed inside. Giga presses are installed this side. But now we see kind of the test bodies going through the conveyor, through the painting, and we see some kind of green color. What do you think about that? Do you like those green colors, or maybe Tesla is going to introduce new colors? And do you remember that Elon Musk said that there will be new colors at Giga Berlin and it will have super paint quality, or maybe they're going to paint something else about this green color? I don't know, friends. So we'll see. In early June, Tesla received another preliminary approval from the state environmental agency. It includes authorization to test the functionality of the systems in the paint shop of Giga Berlin, casting and body in white areas. We have already received photos of testing in body in white, and I've shared that before. These were single piece ends used by Model Y, which suggests that testing in casting has already begun. Now, new images taken by flybrandenburg, like I said, YouTuber, and he also tweets, his name is Daniel, he also tweets on Twitter under flybrandenburg, and our friend Jürgen has shared those images. So these new images from the paint shop also show that Tesla is wasting no time and has already began active testing of production processes at its Giga Berlin Gigafactory. In the images taken in the paint shop, already two painted Model Y bodies have been spotted. Since the characteristic shine is clearly visible, it is safe to say that on the bodies there is at least one layer of paint. If it were a primer, it would not have such a gloss. Now, says Eva Fox from the Tesmanian.com. She also says Tesla Giga Berlin has the world's most advanced paint shop. As I said before, using the new painting technology, Tesla cars will have a special, attractive and lively look, as the shop will be able to apply paint in 3 layers. Several layers of paint given the color a realistic depth, which makes the color brighter than possible with traditional paint system. Eva Fox also says that the paint shop equipment was supplied by Geico Taikisha, a world leader in the design and construction of turnkey automated body paint shops. With the Paradis project launched in 2005, Geico Taikisha was the world's first company to offer a zero environmental impact paint shop. The Smart Paint Shop by Geico revolutionizes auto body paint shops with innovative and energy efficient 4.0 technologies. It received the Surka Keynes Innovation Award for the best research and innovation worldwide. And now we're seeing this coming to Giga Berlin. It should be also noted that test production at Giga Berlin should not be viewed as the immediate launch of mass production, friends. This is not a trial operation, since any car parts manufactured during the tests are not samples for possible future use, but in fact are unusable, clarifies Eva Fox from the Tesmanian.com. In the meantime, as I've reported last week, Tesla is planning a big change in Grünheide at Giga Berlin factory and on a large scale. 40 files with many pages, I think 11,000 pages, full of explanations, series of measurements, maps, tables of the groups are available on Friday in East Brandenburg, are available since Friday in East Brandenburg offices and on the internet. The documents can be viewed for a month, then citizens and associations have another month to submit objections to the project. So we have to kind of wait for the final permit at least 2 months. Actually, after 2 months, then wait a couple of weeks until the government bodies come together, sit down, and decide what they're going to do with it. It is noticeable that many of the pictures, quantities, and material names in the documents have been blackened out, of course, because this is Tesla's proprietary information. Tesla has not yet commented on this when asked by RBB24. It is probably about the trade secrets and information relevant to the stock exchange. So Tesla has to be careful. Now, so here are some of the things that are in these new plans regarding what is new at Giga Berlin. The most important thing, Tesla now also wants to produce batteries in Grünheide at Giga Berlin. I've reported about that. Elon Musk talked about that. Now we have some details. The Californian company, Tesla, wants to convert an already approved warehouse in the southeast of the property of Giga Berlin. Up to 50 gigawatt hours of electricity are to be packed in batteries there every year. This is not huge, but this is roughly corresponding to an annual consumption of 25,000 two-person households. But the reason I said not huge is because Tesla is planning to go from 50 gigawatts to about 250 gigawatt hours, making that the world's largest electric vehicle battery production facility, which will be at Giga Berlin. According to the industry circles, this would be the largest battery factory, like I said, also in Europe, but also in the world, and Elon Musk has announced that. However, Tesla is likely to plan to expand the battery factory in the coming years. Tesla also wants to build a press shop larger at Giga Berlin, in which mainly bodies are produced. To this end, a new section of the building is to be added. So Tesla is going to expand the building of Giga Berlin to the existing production hall in the northern area. It is to be supported with almost 1,200 underground piles in Brandenburg's sandy soil. In addition, pits that reach into the groundwater are planned. This is likely to meet with criticism from the local Tesla critical environmental associations, and also Tesla has also responded to concerns about rainwater infiltration, rainwater that falls on the factory roof or other sealed surfaces, for example, should no longer be seeped into the ground in one, but in 4 different places. Now, overall, Tesla expects the factory to use more energy. The annual electricity demand of Giga Berlin is expected to increase by almost 20% to 87 megawatts per year. The consumption of natural gas energy is also increasing slightly. Now, another interesting thing, the Tesla is also assuming more traffic at Giga Berlin. Up to 1,515 trucks per day are now expected to drive into the Gigafactory plant, like I said, every day. 1,515. The much discussed maximum water consumption, however, remains constant. So friends, let me know what your thoughts are about Tesla Giga Berlin's plans. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Giga Berlin and other Gigafactories related stories coming on our channel daily. And I'll see you soon in our next report. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you.